All right, this is second grade math homework and practice for 1-7. Again, we're making groups of 10 to help us subtract. So we're making 10 to subtract. So here's another look. This is just a review from our lesson. You can make a 10 to help you subtract. Find 13 minus 5. So here's one way. Subtract 13 minus 3 to make 10. 1, 2, 3. And that gives us a 10 frame. And then subtract two more to subtract 5 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we see how many we have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 left. So 13 minus 5 equals 8. Here's another way. We can use it to add. Add 5 plus 5 to make a 10 and 3 more to make a 13. So we're trying to find 5 plus 8 equals 13. So 13 minus 5 equals 8. So we want to get up to 13. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we added 5 there to make it 10, but we actually need to do 3 more because our total is 13. 1, 2, 3 to get up to 13. Okay? Now we're going to be using the 10 frames to subtract. Think about the parts in the whole. So 11 minus 7. So we're going to subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to count how many we have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we have 14 minus 6. There's not 14 counters here, so let's take a look at what we need to do. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know I have 6. We need to count up to get to 14. So let's count up. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now let's count how many we had to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that 14 total minus these 6 gives us 8 more. All right, let's take a look at this one. 12 minus 5. So go ahead and subtract 5 out of there, and let's see what's left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left over. All right, great job. Let's flip this over here. Whoop. And take a look at this higher order thinking question. All right, for each problem, pick a bin from each row. Subtract to find how many more bottles are in the bin from the top row than the bin from the bottom row. Okay, so I'm going to say bin A has how many more bottles than bin D? Okay, so we're doing top and bottom, okay? So bin A has 15 bottles and bin D has 9 bottles. So 15 minus what equals 9? So 15 minus 9 equals 6. So I know it has 6 more bottles than bin D. Okay, so there's a lot of higher order thinking. All right, so let's see. I'm going to pick bin C for this one. Bin C, and I'm going to compare it to bin E. And you can pick out whichever ones you want to do. I know bin C has 13 and bin E has 7. So 13 minus 7 equals what? 13 minus 7 equals 6. And so bin C has 6 more bottles than bin E. All right. And again, you can put them in any order you'd like to. Let's see, I haven't used bin B yet. So I'm going to say bin B. Bin B has 12 total. And I'm going to compare bin B to bin F. Bin F has 8. So 12 I know is larger than 8. 8, let's count up 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know that it has 4 more bottles than bin F. Or I could do 12 minus 8 equals 4. All right, let's see. I've used A, B, and C. Let's use A again. Bin A has 15. And I'm going to compare it against bin E. And bin E has 7. So 15 minus 7 equals what? Okay. So 15 minus 7, I can count up from this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is 8. So bin A has 8 more than bin E. Whew, that was a great brain exercise. That was a lot of work. All right, here's our 2 Common Core assessments. So again, questions just like this will be on our end of the unit exams. All right. Write 2 subtraction equations, remember that's just a math sentence, to show how to find 15 minus 7. So we're going to break these up into doing groups of 10, which would have been easier if they said make a 10 first, but they didn't. So I need to do 15 minus 7. Well, I'm going to find a 10 first. 15 minus 5 equals 10. But am I supposed to find 15 minus 5? No, I'm supposed to find 7. So I'm going to go 10. 5 plus what equals 7? That's 2. 10 minus 2 equals 8. So I know that 15 minus 7 equals 8. Okay? That is definitely a different way of thinking, but it's great to get things into groups of 10. All right, let's look at this last assessment. Okay? Which equations show you how to find 16 minus 9? And again, it shows us really how to find it doing groups of 10. Okay? So let's take a look at this. 9 plus 1 equals 10, right? 9 plus 1 equals 10. And 10 plus 5 equals 15. Well, we're trying to get to 16, so we know that's not going to work. Okay? 9 plus 1 equals 10. Yep. And then 10 plus 6 equals 16. Yep, this one gets us to 16, so we know it's B. And I'm going to look down at the other ones just to see what the sums are, to see if it's 16. It is not. We have a 17 and a 19, so we know that B is going to be our answer. All right, great job, everybody.